Okay, just jumped in long again at 31.50, long 31.50. I got shook out of that trade when we had this move down here, and I was just waiting to see whether we were going to break a support down here and trigger us into a downtrend, and we didn't. So that's a shame. That was just a half-point loss as I got shook out of that, and then a half-point loss effectively with a poorer entry at 31.50. But as long as I get the trend direction right, that's okay. And now we got another triple. So we had first one here, second one here, third one here. So triple supports going on, and we cannot break down into a downtrend. But we were having trouble getting through resistances on the upside. We've had a whole bunch of blue professional bars coming on the 4,500 there. That's what that shows me. That's a little bit of code I'm just kind of messing with, so don't worry about that. But that is a bunch of blue professional bars here on the 4,500. And seemingly they were kind of taking profits and then wanted to get short. But no, if we're breaking through the highs of that, they were just using this whole volatile kind of false channel breaks, whatever, to get set. And now, if we're breaking up to new highs, good. Then we're going to go see exhaustion buy patterns during the full liquidity of the day. So during the day session, you can see we had them at the tops yesterday, and then we had a sell-off. They came in here. That one was getting the move going. That one was kind of dumping at the end of the move with a pullback and a trend. But we often see these repeated again the next day when we get the amateurs after an up day kind of coming in the next day and buying stuff, and it allows the professionals to push it up again into another exhaustion pattern in order to kind of dump at similar levels to the high of yesterday. So let's see. This it's just been showing strength. So let's see if we get another break of resistance and we get kind of confirmation of that uptrend. Just hold on this time, don't get shaken out. All right, well there we go. Broken to new highs for the day, fraction under the high overnight, which was 33.50. So just up at 33 and a quarter. And yep, another break of resistance, giving us confirmed uptrend. So that's good. And what we'll need, so it's an 8,000 read already, but we'll need that to kind of blow off. Maybe, these reads were 12,000 or so, so maybe that's where we're going. It's only 5,000 on the 1,500 tip bar chart. Pullback into trends on the 500, so just got to hold on until we see blue professional bars. Yesterday I came out of my trade on long trade on 1,500 way too early. Because we hadn't seen any blue professional bars and I was exiting here. That's just dumb. You have to wait for the blue professional bars. It kept on going because we hadn't reversed by 11 a.m. in the morning. But I should have been waiting for something like this. So today, I'm not going to make the same mistake. I'm going to hold until we see blue professional bars on 1,500. So hopefully there's not going to be one pop up now, because that wouldn't be good. Let's see where this runs. All right, just as we're retesting that kind of flat top at 33 and a quarter, we got exhaustion patterns coming, one on the 1,500. We got a blue professional bar on 4,500. At some point, we'll have resistance coming there. And you can see it here. So we got a 12,000 read, which is kind of level previously. We've kind of gone off at, but no pullback end of trend, no bearish divergence yet. We've got another resistance at 33.50. So it's slow, just like yesterday. It was treacle until it kind of broke out and made a little bit of a more concerted effort. I don't know what everybody's doing. Certainly volume was low yesterday, but still going to hold. The target's well out of the way at the moment, but should be around 35.50. We shall see. Blue professional up bars on 1,500. That's what I'm going to be looking for. All right, there we go. We just ran some stops. and that pushed us up through 33.5. Bang, all of a sudden. So it's a 19,000 read. We've got resistance come in here. Rambo pattern on 1500, but no blue professional bars yet. This will be a pullback to end of trend at some point. Now, what am I going to do with my target? It should be around 35.5. Rambo pattern there. 12,000 read. Alright, let's have a think. Okay, first blue professional upper on 1500, and it's happening at 35, I think that high is. I've got my target sitting at 36.50 at the moment. I don't know, am I going to get lucky with like a blow off move, 23,000? More blue professional bars on that 4500 chart. Bang bang 35, maybe. We could see a nice little pop. So anyway, getting tad nervous. This is the kind of area where I ought to be thinking about exiting. So let's just see if we get another little stop run. Alright, initial target 35.5 just got hit. My stretch target is at 36.50. 36.50 just got hit. I didn't get taken out on that blue professional up bar here. 11,000 read. Come on, come on. There's a few of us up here at 36.5, but we could chew through that. Come along. Oh, that was again just a little pop to the upside. Come on. Bingo, just taken out 36.50, excellent for 5. So I got shook out on the first long entry at 31 for a loss of a half, and then re-entered a little bit of slippage and so on, but that last one was for 5. So excellent, happy with that. We got Rambo patterns here, we got more exhaustion patterns. Potentially that's a bearish divergence signal that'll go off here. And yeah, probably go high, always does, always out early, but good. Okay, there we go. It is about 2 hours later, and the market did finally top out with 38 even, I think was the high up here. Came with a nice Rambo pattern, more blue professional bars on 1500, exhaustion buy bearish divergence on the 1500 tip bar chart, and there we go, resistance on the highest time frame with another little pullback end of trend. So I was out on the way up, which I like. 36.5 was not the high, never get the high, but that is okay. So anyway, definitely done for the day, and yeah, I might put that in a little video.